everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Gennetta and this is Bean GTV. So today we are making turkey chili. Here I have the ground turkey, avocado oil, chicken stock, any bean of your choice. I'm using Great Northern beans, and diced tomatoes, pepper, onion powder, minced garlic, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, green peppers, and I'm also going to dice up an onion, which is not pictured here. So let's go ahead and get started.
I've been thinking about you. I'm waiting for it all to come true. I'm longing to hear you say, you know that I miss us. I wanna be the one that you trust, 'cause you have stolen my heart away. There can't be no other. Baby, I don't even bother whatever they have to say. My heart's already chose you. It's so scary thinking I can lose you, that you will turn and walk away. Maybe I win, maybe I lose, but nevertheless I'm in love with you. So what can I do? What can I do? Every day is getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. So come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath away. Every day is getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. I never thought I'd feel this way. I never thought I'd feel this way. Falling, yes, I'm falling. Those blue memories start calling, but you can take it all away. 'Cause I am yours forever. No one can love you better. Tell me, is it you and me now? Maybe I win, maybe I lose, but nevertheless I'm in love with you. So what can I do? What can I do? Every day is getting harder. Every day choose me. So come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath away. It's getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. I never thought I'd feel this way. Feel this way. Never thought I'd feel this way. Feel this way. Every day is getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. So come and take my breath away. 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 Every day is getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. I never thought I'd feel this way. Never thought I'd feel this way. Feel this way. Sunshine, I've been waiting. Sunshine, why you playing with my head all the time? You go way out of line. Sunshine.
So it's been about 4 hours and maybe 10-15 minutes. This is the final product. the last 30 minutes I did add more seasoning, and I added a little cornstarch mixture just to thicken it up a little bit, but this is the consistency that I want. So I'm going to plate up a little bit of this, and I will have the link for the recipe in the description box below if you are interested. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on it. And this is the finished product. So thank you everyone for joining me today. And like I said, I will leave a link for the recipe in the description box below. But I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this now. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.